I deadass got a 52 on my exam so I could bang out this trade and make some money. So I might as well show you guys how I did it. Here was a trade. There's nothing that crazy. My exam was at literally 8 a.m., which is awful. Central time too. So markets opened. I rushed the hell out of the exam. And guess what happens? I took a winning trade. Maybe I just gotta do that for my next exam too. Anyways, let's go into how I got my bias for today. Let's go replay. So market opens, right? What do we have? I'm just gonna get rid of all my drawings. So what do we have? We have market open. Market's already taken out. Hourly highs right here, as you guys can see. So what do we need? We need 15-minute highs. Go over to ES. What do we need? 15-minute highs as well, because hourly highs, hourly fair value gap, sorry, and BPR right here get taken out. So what do we need? We just need this 15 to get hit. Oops, that was way too fast. What happens? 15 gets hit. Okay, cool. Bearish bias. Bearish bias. Today we had PMI at 8:45, red news, so I waited for PMI to come out right here, and that happened at 8:45, like I said. So what happens? Price hits it. Bearish. Cool. What do we need? We need a retrace. Retrace on NASDAQ. Retrace on ES already. There was a retrace already, but there wasn't any entries in here. Plus, it made equal highs, meaning I'm not going to take a trade off of equal highs. I want price to fully get rid of this. So instead, right here, price fully took out all these highs. NASDAQ was already at all-time highs for the entire day and was 300 ticks above any sort of liquidity. So I'm not trading NASDAQ. I'm off of NASDAQ. Like I'm not even gonna look at NASDAQ again after this. And it's like, okay, now I already got a retrace right here. This was a really shit trade from me as well. This was not a good trade by any means. This is actually an awful trade, and I probably shouldn't have taken it. But I ended up doing it because I was rushed from my exam, as you guys could see, and I also just kind of winged it a little bit, and it ended up working. Doesn't mean I'm going to do it every time, but what happens? We have this. Get rid of this. What do we have for 15-minute? For 15-minute, we have right here. What do we also have on the hourly? Hourly, we have a fair value gap. I targeted the bottom of the fair value gap on my TikTok, and when I sent to my Discord, I said I targeted the top. I actually targeted the bottom of it. But anyways, what do I need to have? Just a 1-minute confluence. So we go right here. We get this huge dick of a fucking candle down. So immediately I'm like, okay, this thing is gonna absolutely fucking rip. Bam. Another big old dick down. Retraces a lot. What do we got? Fair value gap. Cool. What do we also have? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't even do it to me. Don't even do it to me. Oh my god, we have equilibrium as well. And it got hit. We're in a discount. We have 1-minute fair value gap. We also have Nothing. That's about it. But anyways, bam, take it off of this. Wait for the rejection candle right here at 9:08 in the macro time frame as well. So 8:50 to 9:10, I am willing to take basically any trade. Bam, 15-minute. Since everyone said my risk to reward was really shit on the last trade recap, bam, 3.09. Suck my dick. Anyways, what happens? Bam. Oh, wait. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? It's going to hit TP1, TP2, fully closed out because I didn't have a lot of contracts in because it was not high risk for me. So I didn't have as much contracts in. In turn, what did I do? Only had a TP1 and only had a TP2. Bane the fuck out of this trade. I failed my exam for this. And you know what? I don't care. I'm glad I failed my exam because fuck that. I'm here to take a winning trade. And guess what I did? 3.64 risk to reward for the entire trade. Yeah. That it was pretty cool. Pretty cool taking this trade. And yeah, there was nothing too special about it. Then, as you guys can see, price has been really whack lately. So, what happens? Goes up. All of these green candles are orange on my screen, but look at this. It just keeps going green. This is... Look at this. Oh my god, it's still going green. So right here, we had 17 minutes worth of green candles. That is crazy. I just see that now, but it's like, yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys took a winning trade as well. And yeah, this is it. So NASDAQ's looking like NASDAQ is nowhere near any liquidity because it's at all-time highs. As you guys can see, I'm going to a monthly time frame. Probably the daily. Daily, all-time highs, there's nothing. So it's like, when NASDAQ is at all-time highs, you're gonna, if it's 200, like, right here, it is 300 ticks away from any sort of liquidity. This is not a trade you should be willing to take on anything. And then, if you're on S&P, this is the only reasonable trade you should be taking. And we had 15-minute highs right here, and they got equal high'd, and then guess what happened? Equal highs means price is probably more likely to go over there. And if you took a trade anywhere in this, I'm going to get rid of this really quick to make it less. So if you took a trade anywhere in this price, like, you would have gotten stopped out because, like, if you would have went like this, oh, that's actually, yeah, you could have went like this. Could have taken a trade like that. Like, you would have gotten stopped out because it made equal highs. And I don't know, it's just something that you guys gotta realize. If there's equal highs, you do not trade it until those equal highs get taken out. And if they don't get taken out, you don't trade. It's that simple. And some people are just really antsy with trading, and they just want to have, you know, trade. That's not what you guys need to do. You guys just need to relax a little bit. And I mean, right here even as well. You could have taken a trade right off of the news candle. 8:45. 30 ticks, and you could have, like, you could have targeted whatever you were willing to do. Like, if you would have taken anything in this price from 8:30 to right when it got taken out at 9 o'clock, you would have gotten stopped out because you didn't realize there was equal highs in the market. You also didn't realize that news, say you didn't realize news was there, and say you did realize news was there, and you still got stopped out. That's honestly just your own fault, because equal highs is not a good thing to take a trade off of. I was actually looking at this and I was like, there's just going to be a lot of liquidity because equal highs get taken out, and yeah. But that's all I got for you guys. I was kind of yapping at the end a little bit, but here is a trade for today. Pull it back up. And yeah, there it was. Full TPs hit. Nothing too crazy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Wednesday, I'll be posting a day in the life and what I do every single day to get ready for the markets. Because one of my guys in my Discord wanted that for a video, and I wasn't gonna post it today, but I ended up taking a trade. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching.